Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tara. I've tried this intro too many times. Anyhow, today's look is just like doe-eye, fresh-faced, wide-awake look while just getting ready for work. I haven't really received any of my Black Friday products that I've bought yet, which I was kind of banking on to do some videos. Anyhow, whatever, I'll do those when they come. So I just used products I already had to get this look. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to. It really helps me out. Leave a comment of things that you want to see. Yeah, so continue watching for this look. I think it turned out cute. I feel good. I got this sweater from my sister. It's nice and cozy. I don't know why she gave it away, but I love it. Thank you. All right, so starting with my brows. Oh, first I comb my brows up and like over. My brows are kind of full, a little patchy, but they're very fair. A little bit more of a brow on this side than this side. I don't know, it is what it is. Over tweezing, I'm sure, was the culprit. And the tools I'm using, I have no idea where I got them. I have just like a spoolie I've had forever and an eyebrow brush that I've had forever. I feel like I got them from Avon, to be honest. I like my eyebrow brush good and used and dirty. I like it like molded with the product. I barely wash this. I know it sounds gross, and it is gross, but it's just how I get my brows done. So lately I've been liking, ever since my Tana video, the combination of my NYX brow gel and then my Anastasia dip brow. So this is in taupe and this is in blonde, and I mix these two together. There's my little mixture. Just look. Okay, so I just get a little bit on my brush and I start about here and just kind of line my brow, underneath my brow. And then once I have that first initial line, I kind of flick up some brow hairs. I don't do a whole lot of brow hair strokes, let's be real. I only do it so that it matches, like so that the front of my brow isn't my fair blonde and then the end is like super dark. And then in between, I always wipe off my brush, because if I get too much product down here, it ends up smearing all over my face. So all over my face, all over my lid. So I try to wipe it off, and I just use, like, I have a couple dedicated washcloths for makeup. Comb through any excess product, and then it helps you to see if you have any like patches that maybe need a little color. This is looking pretty good. So I could leave my brow like that, and for probably if I were just going to work, I would. I don't mind if there's imperfections in my brow, but for the sake of the video, let's clean it up a little. So just taking a little bit of my concealer on my hand and taking this, this is a Wet n Wild brush. It's a little long, but I can't seem to locate my other brush that I normally do this with. So this is what I've been using this week. And that's it for cleaning up. I try to leave this part as natural as can be, just to look less harsh. If I find if I draw my brow completely like top and lower like that, it just, for me, maybe because I'm 35, I don't know, it makes me look a little harsh, and I don't want to look harsh. Let's go in with my brow gel. And this is the Essence Make Me Brow. This is a great, great, great dupe for Gimme Brow, $3. Sorry. I mean, I love Benefit, but honestly, when it comes to my money, all right, those are my brows complete. Looking pretty good for today. So we are going into eyeshadow. I'm just gonna buff out my creases. I already have concealer from doing my base on, so I'm just buffing that out, and then I'm taking a little bit of my setting powder just to set that. And a little bit of hair, because there's hair everywhere. So I kind of want to do some eyeliner today, maybe kind of like a doe-eyed look, I think. I'm going to do my eyeliner first today. Sometimes I do this just in case I mess up my eyeliner because that happens a lot. And I don't want to go for like a very bold eyeliner, just like a simple little, maybe a little wing, but like, yeah. So if I do my makeup first, like for my normal day-to-day, if my eyeliner gets too big, it's like, okay, whatever. But since I'm going to work and I just want to have a little bit of eyeliner on, I'm going to do it first. That way it's easier to clean up if I mess up. And then you can always fill in where product gets onto your lash line. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. I really, really enjoy this eyeliner. And by little wing, I meant little wing. I may thicken it up. We'll see where it goes, but for now, I'm gonna leave it at that and do my other eye. All right, there's my eyeliner. It's not perfect. It's probably not even, but it's what I'm gonna stick with for right now. And we're gonna be bringing back an oldie but a goodie. This is my melt stack. Well, it's more than just the dark matter one. It's a couple other colors I have, but it's all in one stack. I think, so I kind of want to brighten up. There's a yellow that I have in there, but for the sake of whatever, I don't know, sake of what, I'm gonna use my contour palette and I'm just gonna take this lighter halo shade right here and put that in my inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the color Blur. I've gotten a lot of use out of this. I'll be needing a new one. I love this color so much. It's just a basic transition shade, and the idea with it is to just kind of blur your other shades, but I go in straight away as like a crease shape with that. Could just leave it like this. No, I like a little bit of color and depth in my eye. Does anybody else ever just like end up kind of like falling through? Like I normally watch DIY videos, makeup videos. I watch a little drama commentary. And then like if I want to look up maybe a how-to, a recipe, whatever the case may be, I'll watch stuff like that. But for the most part, it's all makeup related that I watch. But I've fallen down like a rabbit hole of, so Chris Hansen, he did like To Catch a Predator on TV. So he started a channel, and I'm like all about like the ID and like murder mystery, you know, stuff like that. Not that his is like murder mystery for the most part, but I did used to watch him. And he has started looking into a YouTuber by the name of Onision. And I am not by any means like a drama commentary channel. That's not what I'm going for, but I do like want to touch on this just because I've been in such a rabbit hole about this. I don't know, the accusations, and this is all stuff I heard online. I don't know any of it to be true. I know, but really it's not looking good with like what has come forward about this character. And I don't know. It's crazy to me that YouTube allows people like that, and I'm sure he's not the only one that has like bad videos or whatever the case may be. It's crazy to me that YouTube allows that on their channel or on their platform. I'm gonna go into unseen next. So like where I work, moving right along, where I work in nursing, and if you get any allegations made towards you, what happens is you will be suspended, you will be investigated, and if it's unsubstantiated, you will return to work. And I kind of feel like, you know, if things are getting that far with this character, why wouldn't it kind of be the same? Like, I don't know. And I'm not gonna get into the allegations of this person, but there's a lot that you can see for yourself. I wanna highlight the inner corner. And the highlight that I want to use, I am ashamed to show this, but it's one of my favorite highlighters. I need to repurchase a new one. I have used this as a glue tray. I dropped it and I broke it not too long ago. Like, this is sad. Sad case of affairs right here. But is the Ofra highlighter Rodeo Drive. I love it. I just love it. But that's some use right there. I'm not gonna highlight my face. I'm just gonna highlight my nose. Using the same highlighter and the same brush. Cute. I'm not gonna do lipstick. I have some gloss on. I'm using, what is this? This is MAC, but I lost the sticker, so my bad. I don't know. It's a MAC lip gloss, like kind of peachy pinky. Yeah, so I'm using that, but the sticker fell off, probably in my purse. Oh yeah, I wanted to put a little, because I am doing just more wide-eyed awake look, I'm gonna use my NYX pencil again in linen to toss in my waterline. I just used these for the first time in one of my videos. I think it was like my haul, and this lasted pretty much all day. I was really, really impressed with that. And so I'm gonna use next my Big Ego Tarte mascara. I'm not doing lashes. Just gonna go in with like several coats of this. All right, I have several coats of mascara on, and I decided I just kind of want to line my lips a little with my gloss, so that's what I'm going to do, is just chuck on some lip liner. All right, this is my finished look. Just very light, easy, open, wide awake eye look, doe eye, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.